Hi there, Michael Shire here, proud member of the North American Artist team, as well as a proud member of the Taz Hair Company Collective. I'm here in the salon in downtown Toronto today to show you what I lovingly call the diamonding technique. So let's take a journey and follow me. So what is the diamonding technique and where exactly on the head does this technique go? So as the name implies, you're just simply drawing out two diamond shapes on the top of the head, as you can see from a bird's eye view on my head form here. First diamond shape is ever so slightly smaller than the second diamond shape that you're going to want to make sure goes into the drop off of the crown, which creates an elegant and beautiful looking collar still.